Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. I am Mary Jane Azul Ignacio, 39 years old from San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. A happy married, blessed with 4 kids, 3 sons and 1 daughter, ages 11, 9, 18, and 21 years old. My educational attainment is a high school graduate, and my hobbies are baking and cooking. I work here in the Philippines as a helper for 3 years. I serve 4 members of the families, including 6 years old and 10 years old. My duties are taking care of the kids, cooking, cleaning, do laundry, washing dishes, and many more. And also I have a lots of experience to taking care of newborn babies and a toddler. To my future employer, please hire me because I am a trustworthy, loving, caring, and a hardworking person. I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. Thank you and God bless.